guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Raych and for today's video is a very easy makeup tutorial. Fresh makeup look lang siya. Nakaramihan nire-request nyo and yung mga products na ginamit ko dito is very affordable na makikita nyo sa drugstore or online, mabibili nyo siya. And also for this video, meron kaming huge giveaway. I'll be putting all the links down below and also make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's Raych Ramos. Tas andun lahat guys ng details. It's a huge kbeauty giveaway. Alam kong mahilig kayo sa mga sheet masks and skincare and everything. So, sana maka-join kayo. And also, if you're interested about this look, sobrang easy nito. As in, 15 minutes lang tapos na kayo guys. Don't forget to check out the description box down below for the giveaway as well. So, yan. Let's get started. So, first, I'll be spritzing this 92% aloe face and body mist from Bench Organics. Alam niyong favorite ko to dahil sobrang pa-fresh nito sa feeling sa face. And it really makes my skin smooth and also a great base for my makeup. And then next is my favorite sunscreen, which is also tinted, kaya perfect siya if you don't want to apply foundation. This is also very affordable, less than 400 pesos lang siya, and this one is from Bello. I love everything ng Bello Sun Expert. Ito yung favorite sunblock ko, pati yung mga body products nila and everything. So ito guys, sobrang affordable niya and it really works. Now, for my concealer, I'll be using this Moist Creamy Concealer from Appew. Drugstore brand siya sa Korea, guys. Sobrang mura nito. I think less than 350 pesos lang siya. I'll be putting the link na lang down below kung saan nyo siya mabibili online. Pero ito, kung makikita nyo yung coverage niya, very natural siya, very creamy, and hindi siya nagkikik dun sa under eye circles ko. And then next is the Kill Brow from Clio. Sobrang ganda nitong eyebrow pencil na to. It's one of the best Korean eyebrow pencils. Yun nga lang, may pagka-pricey lang siya ng onte. I think it's around 600 pesos. Pero mabibili nyo siya sa Clio na mga stores which is available in Trinoma or MOA. Pero for me, sulit siya kasi it really gives you that Korean brows. So next is for my eyeliner. It's one of my favorite Korean eyeliners. It's from Clio and it's the Gel Presso eyeliner. I think this is in the shade black. Mabibili din siya sa Clio. Sobrang long-lasting and pigmented nito. And then next for my lashes, dahil alam nyo naman na short yung lashes ko and kailangan ko mag-apply ng mascara, but this is optional. Kung mahaba na yung lashes nyo, okay na kahit hindi kayo mag-apply nito. This is the Maybelline The Falsies, one of my favorite mascaras ever because it's long-lasting and it also makes my eyelashes long. Sobrang ganda ng mascara na to and it's affordable. I think it's around 350 or 400 pesos lang. For the blush and contour, para lang may warmth yung face ko, I'll be using this blush duo from EB Advance, yung Baked Fig. Isa sa mga favorites ko sa drugstore kasi ang ganda ng shade niya. Yung pigmentation niya pa guys, subtle lang siya. This one, sobrang sulit to. This is around 200 something pesos lang din. And then lastly, of course, my favorite lip tint as of the moment is the watery tint from the Face Shop. This is, I think, 195 pesos only. This is in the shade number 5, Cherry Red. One of their best sellers. It's long-lasting, it doesn't dry out my lips, and it's also the perfect red lip tint for me. Sana na-enjoy ninyo. If meron ba kayong request, do let me know in the comment section down below. And also for this giveaway, don't forget to check out the description box and also yung aking Instagram, which is Raych Ramos. So sana ma-recreate nyo to, and I hope you guys will join our giveaway as well. So that's it, guys. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye, guys!